What are sleep trackers and how do they work?
Sleep trackers are wearable devices or apps that monitor your sleep patterns. They typically track movement, heart rate, and sometimes breathing while you sleep. Using sensors, they estimate how long you stay in light, deep, or REM sleep. The goal is to give feedback about your sleep quality, so you can make changes to your routine.
Can sleep trackers accurately measure your sleep?
While sleep trackers can give you a general idea of your sleep duration and trends, they are not always perfectly accurate. Most consumer trackers rely on movement and heart rate, which means they sometimes misinterpret stillness as sleep or miss brief awakenings. Medical-grade sleep studies remain the gold standard, but trackers can be helpful for spotting long-term patterns.
Do sleep trackers help improve sleep quality?
For some people, sleep trackers can encourage better habits. By reviewing sleep trends, you might notice what helps or hinders your rest, like caffeine, screen time, or bedtime routines. However, not everyone benefits equally, and focusing too much on data might even cause anxiety about sleep for some users. The effectiveness often depends on how you use the information.
What are the benefits and drawbacks of using sleep trackers?
Benefits include increased self-awareness, motivation to improve habits, and setting consistent sleep schedules. However, drawbacks can be inaccurate data or over-reliance on the device. Some people may become anxious about perfect sleep scores. Trackers can be most helpful when used as a general guide rather than an exact measure of sleep health.
Who might benefit most from sleep trackers?
People trying to build better sleep routines or identify trends, such as shift workers or those with changing schedules, may find sleep trackers helpful. Those who enjoy data-driven goals might also benefit. But if you have ongoing sleep issues or suspect a sleep disorder, it's important to consult a healthcare professional rather than rely solely on wearable technology.
Final thoughts: should you use a sleep tracker?
Sleep trackers can be useful tools for improving self-awareness and consistency in sleep habits. However, their accuracy has limitations, and real improvements depend on acting on the insights they provide. Consider your personal needs and use sleep trackers as part of a balanced approach to healthy sleep, not as a substitute for medical advice or professional help.